Hi, Cynthia Stadd here. I'm the founder of Eat Empowered, a company that helps people end their long-standing battles with food and weight and their bodies and themselves. And I have to give a shout out to Andrea Vahl because she is truly amazing. I've known Andrea for years. I have seen her integrity. I've seen what she does for people. I've seen her as a speaker. I've seen her on the back end helping clients with ads and the content she puts out and how thorough she is and detailed. And after being around her for so many years, I finally hired her because it was time for me to run some Facebook ads and I really needed some help. And she was absolutely amazing. Um, so knowledgeable, so much at the top of her game, knows how to work with people, so communicative, helped me set up everything about my Facebook ad campaign and explain things and just held my hand when I didn't know what the heck was going on. And it was just a wonderful experience. So I highly recommend Andrea. She really knows her stuff. You won't go wrong working with her. And yeah, just do it. Don't wait. It was a great experience. Thanks, Andrea.